Hello everyone, dear subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to change the name in the mobile version of Facebook. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's go. Go to Facebook. Then open in the bottom right corner in the menu. In the top right corner, open Settings and Privacy. Media Account Center, then see More in Account Center. Click Profiles. Here we choose, there is Instagram, there is Facebook. I click Facebook, then click Name. After that, here we can change your name, change your last name, and also change your middle name. After you have changed, you click Save, and you will save the new name of your mobile version of Facebook. Subscribe to the channel if you liked this video. And if you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. And I will be sure to read and answer. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.